Welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. This is a 7-minute seated Qigong exercise to get you qi flowing, blood circulating, and to relieve tension and stiffness. Now let's get started. Sit with the spine nice and tall. Interlace the fingers. Lift the hands up towards the sky. Push the palms up. Bring your arms closer to your ears. Gently stretch to the left. Look up under the armpit. And back to center. And stretch to the right. One more. Other side. To the right. Release the hands behind your neck. Use the base of your pinkies, stimulating the wind pull point. The palms almost hugging the neck. Give the head an upward lift. Release the hands. Extend one arm up, cross the other over the belly. And second side. Roll the shoulders. Interlace the fingers. Hands to your heart. Press the palms forward, arms parallel to the floor. Round into the spine, tuck the chin. Inhale, lift the chest. Hands to heart. Exhale, round into it. Stretch through the spine, through the shoulder joints. Let's do 2 more. Last one. Hands back to center. Release the palms to your thigh. Right hand on top of the back support. Left hand grab onto the edge of the chair. Give a nice twist towards the right. Second side. Twist towards the left. Come back to center, arms rise, and pulling down the sky. Draw the palms down through front and center. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, release. Inhale, reach up, gathering fresh energy. 2 more. Last one. And stand up. Place your hands on the seat of the chair. Walk a step back. Come into a fold or kind of like the downward dog. Lengthen through the spine. Adding space between the vertebrae. Lengthen the back of the legs. Keep the core tucked. Slowly back roll yourself up, vertebrae by vertebrae. And come back to your seat. Shake your wrists. Once more, interlace the fingers and reach the hands up. Lengthen through the arms, through the spine. Hold up the sky. Stretch and stimulate the gallbladder meridians. Hold and breathe. With the outgoing breath, open the arms to a T. Relax the shoulders. Press the palms away, opening the heart and clearing the lungs. Hold here for 5 more cycles of breath. Notice the tingling sensation through your hands, fingers. And slowly bring your hands, one over the sternum, one over your lower dantian. Close your eyes. Connect to the present moment. Friends, I hope you enjoyed our seated Qigong session. Let me know how it went for you and how often you do this practice. Like the video and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take care of yourself.